for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I ain't too sexy for this chain. Too sexy for your game. Too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap. Too sexy for that cap. Too sexy for that jack.
I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. So sugar, I don't wanna be
Good morning, guys. It is the next day and we're finna go eat brunch. So here's my outfit because afterwards we're going on a hike and me and Elise are matching, as you can see. Very cute. And I picked out the spot that we're gonna eat at. It's called Brunch Spot and it's literally 900 feet away, so we don't have a long walk at all. So I'll see y'all when we get there. This is where we're eating, guys. The Brunch Spot. And they have something next door that says Sushi Spot. It was literally so close. Our resort is literally that building right there. Big check, big check. Yeah, ready to eat. Hey. Mind you, all the people in the traffic watching this. We need to play some music. Y'all, the man taking us around the corner. Girl, move! He taking us around the corner to get into the restaurant. Oh, we outside? Hey, we in the bushes. Hey, we in the bushes. Hey.
Oh, we got private. We get private.
Oh, VIP let us through.
Oh, keep out? No, I'm gonna keep in
I like the soul.
The loco. Dang, you gonna eat his food? Waffles came, guys. They look so good. And I got this sunrise drink. At least got the garlic shrimp and a strawberry. What's it called? Strawberry citrus. Something. Let's eat. Yo, apple juice. Dang. Look at my cousin, he got plates. We can tear it up. Okay guys, I put my hair in a ponytail so we can go on our hike. We gotta be down in the lobby in a few minutes with the rest of our family. But brunch was super good. I think everybody enjoyed their food. My waffles was really good with the fruit and the drink was good. The shrimp was really good. Elise had the shrimp. It was super good. I'm definitely gonna try the shrimp somewhere else because people say they're garlic shrimp. Like all over Hawaii is super good, so I definitely want to try that. But I'm so excited for the hike. And we were just informed at brunch that the hike has like 100 stairs. Now y'all ain't tell me that. Y'all didn't.
It's way more than 100 stairs.
Way more. Oh Lord. And then who gonna carry this water? You gonna carry the water? I'm being too busy out of breath. I can't hold no water. But yeah, they're gonna be dehydrated because I don't have no water bottle. Well, I do, but like, who wants to hold that while walking? Like, oh well. Y'all, look at my Uber. It's coming to get me. It's a Mercedes.
That's not ours.
Yeah, yes, it is. What? Look. Yeah. Oh, they got people in the car already. Oh. Hey, how y'all doing? Are you ready for the hike? Y'all, they said we're hiking all the way up there. I don't even know what we signed up for. We just said we wanted to do a hike. I was not aware of what type of hike this was, but we're at Diamond Head. This is before the hike. It's supposed to be 2 hours.
This is before the hike. 2 hours.
This is at least before the. Oh, she already been through the hike. Okay, this is Ace before the hike. Looking all cool to see Shanny. Hey. Bruh, it's been about 2 minutes. My dad is
Call an Uber.
Uber. Yeah. Mind you, the entrance is right there. We can still see the gate.
It shouldn't take long to get to us. We're almost there, guys.
Falling Rock is great. Go see Charity. Guys, we got out the cave, but look at the upstairs. Oh my gosh. So is this another way, just not straight up? Oh my gosh. But look at the view.
You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. I prayed for this moment. I would be by your side. And
We officially made it to the top.
Then she got a close up like this. I was like, oh, okay, you done.
Y'all, they said this is a way down. Who said? Oh, it's pretty though. It's a good view from under here. Nice cool view. Oh. I don't know where we at. This is not the way we came for sure. Where the railings at? Oh, it's on this side. I'm about to say, I don't see no railing. It's like a abandoned prison. What's going on? Where we at? So people are saying you could have came up this way if you want to avoid the heat and stuff. But y'all ain't let me know. Y'all ain't let me know. Y'all let me get all the way up there just to tell me this. Oh my goodness. God dog, y'all, this hill is steep. Why am I the only one speaking? Y'all good. They're making it. I see my sister. Definitely enjoying the way back. Sister, I see you. I see my sister. I don't know if I'm zooming in the right place. I can't see my screen, but my sister down here. Y'all might want to keep walking.
You did a lot of gaining, I see you.
To what? I missed her whole face. I missed her whole face, bro. Hey, we make it. Hey. See if my sister gonna make it, y'all. She said you're gonna run the rest of the way. She's still running. Y'all, as we doing the last part, which is flat ground, flat concrete, as you can see. It's an incline, but it's like flat and not bumpy and rocky and all that stuff. But y'all, the hike is worth it. I promise you, if I knew about this hike and I knew what it was, I would have said no before I came. But my mom just said, do you want to do a hike with your family? I said yes. And I did not look into anything. And whew, y'all, when I tell you this is an incline, I am not in shape. Like, we made it done. I'm so glad we did it. So glad we came. And the views is amazing. So definitely recommend coming. It is family friendly, but like you might need to take a few breaks like I did. But we didn't take like that many breaks. Like once we did like a whole lot of stairs, then we took a break. But we really didn't do too bad. And we stopped and took a lot of pictures and videos and stuff as well. So yeah. Yeah, I remember when we thought this was the hard part. We was hot and it's a little uphill. We was like, yeah. But when we got up there, ooh, it was something else. Guys, I just seen this family. The mom had a baby strapped to her chest. The dad had a baby strapped to his back. Then they had a little like 1-year-old or 2-year-old with them. I don't know how they gonna make it. Like carrying the whole human. I was carrying myself and I was tired. And they carrying babies and they have a little girl. I don't know if she gonna make it. But I made it. That's all that mattered. We made it. Hey. I'm gonna see if this water is cold at this water fountain because I'm thirsty. Okay guys, so we're at the end and they have my necklace all turned to the side.
Just bought my face off then.
Oh my bad. I'm only looking at me. Bro, let me back it up. Okay, so we got some fresh pineapple juice. Let's try it. Make your head itch. That one girl said she loved our matching outfit.
Can I try some?
Yeah, it has pulp and like need some more or sugar.
Oh, that's fresh.
Thought it was a scam. It's definitely fresh. Tear that drink up. Hey vlog, so we are back from the hike. We changed a little bit. The drink my nanny got is so cute. Here is the hot pina colada that she bought us. Let me show y'all how cute it is. There's like the little tiki face, the pineapple, cherry, everything is so cute. And we're at the, I think it's cheeseburger, it's called cheeseburger something. It's like a cheeseburger bar. They have the happy hour menu right here. Probably gonna get something off of this, or I'm gonna check their real menu and see what they have as well.
That was nice, Tanisha.
I worked up an appetite. I'm ready to eat. Guys, we got our drinks. My cousin got a mango. Cheers! We outside. My coconut shrimp has arrived. Presentation. At least sandwich was here. Nah, don't try to cover it up all day. I still see the plate. Nice and empty. Now she wanna act like she eating some lettuce. Nah, you ain't eating. With the beautiful view. Hey y'all, so we are dressed for the beach. Mind y'all, me and Elise were matching earlier today, and we're matching again.
Oh my gosh, the holy glaze.
But I bought this one too first. I promise. She just wants to be like her big sister, y'all. I promise.
That's so cutesy.
Ooh. This how you pull up to the beach? Oh, no. No. But we're at the beach.
Okay, come on and take the picture.
They're out in the ocean. The water is so beautiful. Y'all, I've been wanting to get in beach water for so freaking long now. I cannot wait to touch this water. I feel like it's going to be a little cold. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, it's cold. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's cold. Guys. Ooh, these rocks are tearing my feet. Oh, God, dog. Okay, we're in good sand now. Swimming like a fish. Hey,
Looking like a fish.
look at my cousin out there. Oh, it's so cold on my stomach. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. Let me get adjusted to the water. My dad is coming, y'all. Yeah, it does feel good once you get in.
Daddy, come on now.
Why y'all act like y'all scared? Ooh. He's stepping on the rocks.
I hope so. Almost there. Hey, come on. Elena, go ahead.
Look at them.
I'm good. Okay, hold on. Ooh. Okay, on the count of three, we're diving in. I'm holding my glass. Who's gonna hold my glass?
Wait, ain't no way. Who is we? I'm so good. About to do
Okay. You worse than me. You talking about
Okay,
on the count of three. Hold on, wait. Wait now. Let's start over. Hold on.
It's pushing me.
Hold on. Hey, wait, start to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold on. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at Roger. Roger did not.
Why you still dry? Yeah, you still
Look
dry.
at your shirt.
See, I'm good now.
He about to. Wait. Y'all too old for all this. You just drowned Roger.
It's good. It's good.
I think you should have just done.
He put up a fight.
We in Hawaii. My sister out there floating on her back. What she was. I see you. I see you guys. Aloha.
Aloha.
Dang, at least how you touch the bottom of your hair.
I know. I think she done groomed since she.
I
think
think
she
you
done
went
groomed since she
away.
been up here.
Yeah, Otter.
Y'all wanna watch me float?
She's a good floater.
She's a floater. Her toes. Breathe. Daddy, are you breathing?
Okay.
It's supposed to be relaxing.
It's supposed to just be like natural. But you'll be.
I'm not natural.
You did not move.
Okay, Rod, you show me. Oh no! You show me,
no.
Rod. You got all the instructions. He look like he hold his breath. He don't look natural. He look like,
Oh no, look, you doing it, but you relax.
he look like a walrus, but he just look natural. I didn't say all that.
Look at me, guys. I'm the Little Mermaid. Oh. Oh, I look amazing. You don't look amazing.
Oh, and then Mike just could see.
Should have drowned. Oh. Now, why would you spit on my phone and you slow? Somebody get her. Stop, Funky! Dang. Y'all, my aunt and my mama are finally trying to get in the water. Y'all, all this ocean, and Elise was asking me to move out her way so she can float. All this ocean, and I'm in her way. Girl, we'll go find somewhere else to float. You know who in my way? Oh, they making it. Hey, there goes my mama. Go, mama. Oh, it's blurry. Guys, look at the rock we just found. It's here. Oh, wait. The wave. Are you cool? The wave is not coming The wave is tearing me up, y'all. Come back. It's a hairy rock, though. Okay. Bye-bye, rock. You got it. You got it. You gotta relax. You coming up too fast. Okay, go ahead. Do a front flip.
Or I could be a snake and like just die.
Okay, yeah, do that. That might look better. That was not aesthetic. Maybe a little slower. Maybe a little more peaceful. Do it again.
My head just stuck against his hair.
Yeah, my dad just told my mom that she need to be like Moana and get in the ocean. And then my aunt said, yeah, let it go, like the movie said, let it go. I'm like, that's a whole different movie, y'all. What is she talking about? Go ahead, kick it. Bay what? Hey. Ooh, look at this lip. Y'all, this little pond thing right here is nice and warm. But we're about to leave the beach. We had a great time. Guys, we're out the beach water and we're finna see. Oh, they got refreshers. Oh. Refreshers, mango, cantaloupe. They have wrappers.
That's watermelon, mango, cantaloupe. You trying to talk about fruits?
It'll literally just like That's because it's fresh watermelon juice.
You did like a watermelon.
What you want it to taste like?
I thought it looked like juice. I need like more. It literally just tastes like I just bit into watermelon.
Oh my gosh.
It's nothing special.
I don't like watermelon, cantaloupe, or lime, cucumber, lime. So the only one I probably like is mango.
Yeah, they giving out free samples.
We got steak, chicken tonight. Yeah, I'm getting steak. He cooked his chicken shawarma, but he cooked it fresh. So that's ribeye.
Yeah, this ribeye. Everything is fresh. As long as we can order.
That's what I told you.
You
Get
can
that
every
chicken
day.
steak.
I'm gonna leave it here with y'all though. Here.
But yeah, that stuff is good, y'all. It's alright. I mean, it's a different type of food. It's not what we're used to. Okay, guys, I got my food from Osun Grill, and look at it. I got the, what is it, garlic butter shrimp? Looks so good. Can't wait to try it. Here are all the options if you want to see.
Good, thank you.
Y'all, Elise was trying to pay for her food. Look where the credit card is. Just sitting in her mango. And then you just get a refill.
That's the sweet money.
I don't know, but they gave him refill. Oh my gosh.
Y'all still gonna drink?
The elevator go up, 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 up. About to go way down, 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 down. Elise got it down, 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 down. Guys, we're about to go by the pool.
There's no stopping curiosity. I wanna turn this thing up.
Slide down.
They say we just won't see. I should be stuck my pride.
All right, now you fall up in that pool.
I know this feeling to go.
The place I know where I cannot go is see the lines and the signs and the seas. It calls me, so I know how far it goes. And the wind is like you see things behind me. Y'all, I can sing, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for day 4.